Hey guys, Lever here. So I just thought I'd show you guys what I have in my fridge and in my cupboard. I just have cheese. Of course, you gotta have your teriyaki sauce, parm, Dijon, ketchup. What do I got here in my cupboard? Crushed red pepper, smoked paprika, tea, Bush's beans, oatmeal, popcorn, crispy fried onions, tuna, croutons. My freezer, I got raisin bagels, pierogies, leftover pasta sauce, chicken breasts, bread, a couple hamburgers, and some fruit, mixed berries and that, and stir-fried vegetables. So yeah, guys, that is my, oh yeah, forgot to show you guys, I got some coffee. I bought two things of McDonald's coffee. Honey for my tea. We gotta have the crispy or crunchy peanut butter. That's for sure. Lever, signing off. Peace.